name's Debbie Pyrus, and I've been coming to see Dr. Kopp for I don't know how long now, a long time. And I was referred here. Actually, the prosthodontist that I went to died, and so then I was referred here, and it's been a wonderful experience. He's the whole office, the whole staff, everybody here has just really been wonderful. And I kind of have a mixed bag of emotions about dentistry anyway, because I have this dental file that's about this thick, and I call it my dental disaster, because my life has been like a dental disaster. Starting with Uncle Bruno, who used to do fillings and drill and fill and had no Novocaine, and then I ended up losing a tooth and losing some more teeth, and by the time I actually started working for a dentist when I was younger, and then an oral surgeon when I was a little bit older, and then when I went to college I thought, well, I've got a lot of experience in dentistry, so I think maybe I should continue and see where it goes. So I went into dental hygiene, and I went to Loyola, and I was there and saw lots of different dentists there, and then I transferred to San Antonio and saw lots of different dentists there in their dental school. And I actually was married to an orthodontist for a while, so let's see, I've seen endodontists, orthodontists, prosthodontists, general dentists, periodontists, and I've seen numbers and numbers of them. And I think the thing about this office and Dr. Kopp and everybody here is that they're kind and they're compassionate and they really care and they're really good at what they do. I've been in different offices where people are nice and they're kind, but they're not especially real good at what they do, and so I've had a lot of issues that happened in my mouth that were because of bad dentistry, and that's a horrible thing, and people are afraid. And I remember when I was a dental hygienist, people would come in and sit in my chair and say, I would rather be anywhere than here. And I'm like thinking to myself, yeah, I probably would rather be anywhere rather than here. But whenever I come here, people are just really kind, and the dental work that I have had done has been exceptional. It's just been top-notch, exceptional. Everybody, Dr. Kopp, Dr. Ilya, Dr. Guzaitis are the three that I have seen, and the dental hygienist, Janine, and they have just been wonderful. So I had 5 teeth that had to be extracted because of various mistakes that were made in the past. And so when I saw Dr. Kopp to begin with, I was wearing a little plastic thing that looked like a retainer with teeth. And it was causing problems with my other teeth that it was hooked onto, and they were getting loose, and my bite was really bad. And so I kind of waited for a while to do anything because I had sinus problems. And some of the dentistry I had done earlier aggravated my sinuses. I had some endodontics done that leaked into my sinuses, and it was just, so those teeth had to be extracted. So when I saw Dr. Kopp, I was not real anxious to have anybody go in and do anything that was going to cause sinus trouble. So once we got to a point where everything with my sinuses was stable, then I came in and we had a consultation, and he said, well, this is what we can do, and this is what I would recommend. And so I had some dental implants put in, and then he did the crowns, and the bite is wonderful, and I can chew, and my teeth are not rocking around in my mouth anymore. And I had the same problem with my mom. My mom had seen somebody who gave her dentures that were horrific, and she came here and she had her full upper and full lower and everything, and it's just been night and day. Because there are people out there who will do things that they're not specialized to do, and it just makes a big difference. And if you're going to go pay for something and you don't have insurance, it makes more sense to do it right the first time, because I had it done wrong so many times, and the expense of doing things wrong and then finding somebody to do it right, not only is it financial, but it's emotional and psychological, and it can affect your whole entire body. I think after 40 years of dentistry, and dental schools and different dentists and different dental offices, working with different dentists and seeing the work that different people do, I can honestly say that this is like the best place I've been ever, and I would highly recommend it. It might be a little bit more expensive than just going to like a regular dentist, but you don't have to go and do it again. And you don't have to have the problems that come when they don't do it right the first time and the second time and the third time. Because they'll keep working on it and keep doing it over and over again and tell you that they know what they're doing. And I, from personal experience, know that that's not necessarily true. So yes, I definitely would recommend that people come here.
Is there anything that you regret about making your decision to come here? Or?
Oh, not. No, I tell everybody that I know that they should come here.